The Freestyle Thermal Imaging Camera, Thermoflex F50, drastically increases the efficiency for deterioration diagnosis and facility inspection of factories and plants. Measurements can be done by turning the camera head around, such as behind the pipe or narrow space that were difficult to measure conventionally. Since it is equipped with an LED light, you can even shoot in a dark place. It is possible to measure accurately while checking the screen with comfortable posture. Furthermore, F50 has the image rotation function and the burst shooting function, supporting reliable temperature measurement even at locations where the angle of shooting is severe or in an unstable position. The F50 is very convenient for taking measurements at high places, even where one has to stretch out their hands to measure. Comfortable measurement is possible without assuming a severe posture while checking the LCD screen at any time. Thermoflex F50 can measure a wide area efficiently. The F50's camera head comes with a 70-degree wide-angle lens. You can finish the measurement work more efficiently with the 70-degree wide-angle lens by capturing a wider area at one time. Moreover, intuitive operation is possible by using the controller's touchscreen. For beginners, it is possible to smoothly set the temperature scale setting by touch, which was difficult for them in the past. The new Freestyle Thermal Imaging Camera, Thermoflex F50, increases the efficiency of on-site operation and reduces the risks.